Hey guys, Anthony with the Rag Company, and in today's video, we're talking about Chemi's Active Foam, arguably the best smelling foam product from KCX. And this right here has a pH of 9.5, which means it's gonna have some slightly higher cleaning power in comparison to that of Chemi GSF. Now, with Active Foam having a slightly higher alkalinity, there are some precautions that need to be made. We highly recommend using gloves whenever using this product. It's best sprayed in a foam cannon onto the exterior surface of your vehicle and then letting it dwell for several minutes. But by no means do this in direct sunlight. Try to do this in a shaded or cool area, and definitely do not let the soap dry. Once the product has dwelled and really brought off all those contaminants, that's when it's time to come back through with your pressure washer and rinse everything off. Then you can follow up with Chemi GSF or a pH balanced soap in your bucket and then continue the wash. So again, more of a pre-spray cleaning soap. We recommend using this probably every several months depending on where you live or how dirty your vehicle gets, but by no means is this an every wash kind of soap. So again, Chemi Active Foam, it's a fantastic smelling and awesome pre-cleaning soap that you definitely need to have in your arsenal, and I promise you won't be disappointed. So as always, thank you all for watching and have a fantastic day.